In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Zangi. To enable dark mode in Zangi, first of all, launch the Zangi mobile application open on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account like you normally do. From the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down and look for the appearance option and tap on it. Inside Appearance tab, you will be able to see the dark mode option under Theme at the bottom. Tap on dark mode and a dark theme should be applied immediately on your Zangi application interface. Now the application will display in dark mode. That is how you can easily enable dark mode in Zangi in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.